What does financial success look like to you? A mansion, a luxury car, or a carefree lifestyle? These are just a few examples that may spring to mind. Yet, financial success can take on many different forms depending on who you ask. For some, it's achieving a sense of financial security or the ability to retire early. For others, it's the freedom to travel the world or start their own business. Whatever your personal vision of financial success might be, it's crucial to understand that there's no one-size-fits-all path to get there. Some people might find success through a steady job and diligent saving, while others might strike gold with a risky business venture or a savvy investment. Today we're going to delve into some of the proven strategies for achieving financial success. We'll explore different financial philosophies, share some tips and tricks, and hopefully spark some inspiration. No matter what your personal definition is, there are proven strategies that can help you achieve your financial goals. If you found this information useful and want to learn more tips and strategies for financial success, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We're constantly sharing valuable insights that can help you achieve your financial goals. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button now. Financial success starts in the mind. Ever heard of the saying, "As a man thinks, so he is"? This age-old wisdom has more relevance to your financial journey than you might initially believe. Imagine the mind as a fertile garden. The thoughts you plant and nurture will eventually bear fruit. If you plant seeds of positivity and belief in your capabilities, the harvest will be a prosperous life. Conversely, if you sow doubt and negativity, you reap stagnation. It's no secret that many of the world's most successful individuals attribute their achievements to a positive mindset. Let's take Warren Buffett, for instance, a titan of the financial world. Buffett once said, "I always knew I was going to be rich. I don't think I ever doubted it for a minute." That's the power of a positive mindset. Or consider Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul who rose from poverty to become one of the most influential women in the world. She firmly believes that you become what you believe. These are not just empty words. They are the lived experiences of people who have reached the pinnacle of success. But cultivating the right mindset isn't just about being positive. It's about resilience, persistence, and the willingness to learn from failures. It's about understanding that setbacks are not permanent roadblocks, but detours leading to better paths. It's about embracing the fact that the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. So, how does one develop such a mindset? It starts with self-belief. Believe in your ability to learn, grow, and achieve your financial goals. Surround yourself with positive influences. Read books, attend seminars, and engage in activities that expand your knowledge and understanding of financial matters. Practice gratitude and maintain a positive outlook, even in challenging times. Remember, the mind is a powerful tool, and it can either be your greatest ally or your worst enemy. Your mindset is the foundation of your journey to financial success. With the right mindset, you're already halfway there. Without a destination in mind, any road will get you there. The same applies to your financial journey. Imagine embarking on a road trip without a map, a GPS, or even a destination. You might end up somewhere interesting, but it's equally likely that you'll find yourself lost or stuck in a place you'd rather not be. This is the financial equivalent of living paycheck to paycheck, never sure if you're making progress or just spinning your wheels. Setting clear, measurable, and realistic financial goals is like plotting your destination on a map. It gives you something to aim for, a way to measure your progress, and a roadmap to get where you want to go. So how do you set financial goals that are both ambitious and achievable? One effective method is the SMART goal-setting technique. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. When setting a financial goal, be specific. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," say, "I want to save $20,000 for a down payment on a house." This gives your goal substance and makes it easier to envision. Next, make sure your goal is measurable. If your goal is to save $20,000, break it down into manageable chunks. How much do you need to save each month or each paycheck to reach your goal? Your goal should also be achievable. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, saving $20,000 in a year might not be realistic. Adjust your goal to fit your circumstances, but don't be afraid to challenge yourself. Relevance is also important. Your financial goals should align with your personal values and long-term plans. If home ownership isn't a priority for you, saving for a down payment might not be the best goal. Lastly, set a timeline for your goal. Without a deadline, it's easy to put off taking action. With well-defined financial goals, you have a clear path to follow in your journey to financial success. By setting smart financial goals, you're not just dreaming about the future, you're taking concrete steps to make that future a reality. Would you embark on a journey to a foreign country without learning about its culture, language, and customs? Probably not, right? Likewise, navigating the world of finance isn't much different. It's essential to grasp the language, customs, and culture of finance to achieve financial success. Think of financial literacy and education as your travel guidebook. They equip you with the knowledge to make smart decisions, avoid pitfalls, and maximize your financial potential. Let's delve deeper into the importance of financial literacy and education in your journey to financial success. Financial literacy isn't just about knowing how to balance a checkbook or understanding your paycheck. It's the understanding of various financial areas like investment, retirement planning, tax planning, estate planning, and risk management. It's about knowing how money works, how to make it, keep it, and grow it. Education plays a pivotal role in enhancing financial literacy. It's not about becoming a financial expert overnight, but about learning and understanding the basics of finance, and then gradually building on that knowledge. There are numerous resources available to increase your financial literacy. Books are a great starting point, offering a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. From timeless classics like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, to modern masterpieces like The Total Money Makeover, they provide valuable insights into the world of finance. Online courses are another excellent resource. They offer flexibility, allowing you to learn at your own pace and cover a wide array of topics, from personal finance to investment strategies. Financial advisors can also play a crucial role in boosting your financial literacy. They can provide personalized advice tailored to your specific needs and goals, helping you make informed decisions. Remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Armed with financial knowledge, you can make informed decisions that will bring you closer to your financial goals. So let's invest in our financial education today for a prosperous tomorrow. Did you know that the majority of millionaires have more than one source of income? That's right. Diversification is not just a buzzword. It's a strategy that can catapult you towards financial success. Imagine your income as a river. If it's all coming from one source, what happens when that source dries up? You're left high and dry. But if you have multiple streams feeding into your river, you're less likely to run dry. That's the power of diversification. Investing, on the other hand, is like planting a seed. Sure, it takes time and patience, but as the old saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Your investments can grow into a fruitful tree, providing you with another source of income. The combination of investing and diversification creates a robust financial ecosystem. It's not just about having more money, but also about minimizing risk. By investing and diversifying your income, you can accelerate your journey to financial success. Remember, achieving financial success is not a sprint. It's a marathon. It's about persisting even when the road gets tough, and believe me, it will. There will be days when your investments don't perform as expected, and there will be times when the market throws you curveballs. But that's where the professional hustle comes in. It's about continuously educating yourself, staying informed about market trends, and making informed decisions. It's about seeking out new opportunities for professional growth, pushing your boundaries, and taking calculated risks. It's about understanding that setbacks are not failures, but opportunities to learn and improve. It's about not being afraid to make mistakes, because mistakes are the stepping stones to success. So keep pushing, keep hustling, embrace the journey and the lessons it brings. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving forward. Your financial success is closer than you think. All right, folks, now that you're equipped with the knowledge and strategies for financial success, it's time to take action. Yes, you heard it right. It's time to start your journey towards financial success. No more procrastination, no more excuses. It's time to apply what you've learned and start making your money work for you. And don't forget, the journey is always better when shared. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, family, or anyone who might benefit from it. Let's help each other grow and succeed. And for more content on financial success, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got tons of valuable content coming your way, so stay tuned. Remember, the journey to financial success starts with a single step. Take that step today. Your financial future is in your hands, and the time to act is now. Let's do this together. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe.